Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for joining me for another delicious recipe. Today we will be cooking caldo, which is similar to a soup. This one in particular will be a cabbage caldo. On the northwest of Spain, usually we make it with grelos, which is a very bitter type of vegetable, but you can only find it there, so we cannot find it here. We'll use cabbage instead, which is another option. And it is very easy. I got a very large pot because I'm going to make a lot of it and I'm going to freeze it. And I have put about half a pot of water in it. And we're going to add the vegetables. This is the cabbage I shredded. So as you can see, this is the kind of shred that you want to do. This is how you want to chop it. And we're going to put everything inside the pot. So once inside the pot, we just push it down. This is going to be so easy. Then we're going to add the potatoes. I don't have much room, that's why I'm crushing with everything, because this pot is gigantic. So what we do, we mix again. Oh, by the way, the way you want to cut the potatoes is like if you were making a Spanish omelette, that kind of cut. And then we're going to add the butter beans, which I have already drained and washed. So I'm going to add salt, a good amount of salt. And as I always say, use pink salt if you can. I cannot because I have not been able to find it, but you use it if you can find it. And we mix well. And we're going to put 2 stalks of vegetable stock. 2 of vegetable stock. And we go like that. This is going to dissolve, so it's okay. And we will also add a bit of olive oil. Let me do it this side. To give it that extra fat that it needs. And what we're going to do, we're going to cover it. We're going to bring it to the boil. Once it starts boiling, we'll reduce the heat and we'll let it simmer until the potatoes are soft and the cabbage is cooked, which will be possibly 20 minutes, half an hour. So my friends, this is what it looks like once it's been cooked. Like this. It is nice, it is hot, it is lovely for winter time. You got your beans, you got your potato, your vegetables, and it's so nice. I hope you give it a try. I hope you taste it, you enjoy it, and you like it. And if you don't, tell me in the comments. As usual, please give us a subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. Give us a like. Share the love for food. Enjoy us with everything. We'll see you next week, or maybe I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.